यहाँ का मतलब 4000 मीटर समथिंग, यानी कि 4000 प्लस मीटर पे हम लोग रहते हैं। एक यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बर्फ़ गिरते हैं, बर्फ़ भी इतना गिरते हैं कि बस 5-6 फुट तक यहाँ पे बर्फ़ गिर जाते हैं। तो उसकी वजह से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होते थे आज से मतलब 5-6-7-10 साल पहले, क्योंकि यहाँ पे रोड भी नहीं थे, मेडिकल का या दवाई का कोई सुविधा नहीं था। तो ज़्यादातर गाँव में वही बूढ़ा बूढ़ी लोग ही ज़्यादातर वही रहते हैं, तो उसकी वजह से उनको बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ भी होते थे।
बिना लाइट से ये गांव में बहुत तकलीफ है।
हमारा गांव ऊंचा होने के वजह से पेड़ पौधे बहुत कम होता है।
You know, every trip has something to offer, but being able to have such a tangible impact on something, whereas like also learning about sustainability and being able to work with such a impactful organization like GHE and being able to meet such like wonderful people, members of the team, I think it's such an incredible opportunity that, you know, I don't think anybody is able to pass up on. I don't know how anybody has passed up on it.
I also think above all, like putting so much effort into coming on, like trekking all the way over these mountains, coming all the way over to Ladakh in such a remote space, and just personally helping these people put in rocket stoves and electrify monasteries. It was just like, it was so personal and so like genuine, like the effort that we're putting in, that I don't know, it just felt like so purposeful, like really special.
I think so far it's really been the best experience of my life, I think I could say. And yeah, also I think the whole trip has just been really, really humbling in a way, and really a great way to learn about myself, because coming here at this high altitude, it's something that I've never done before. And it's been struggles, but I also got to learn more about like myself and pushed my limits to like far beyond what I could ever think possible.
GHE School!